Well, this is the video you've all been waiting for. I'm back at the best place to get Mahindra accessories from, Rybuck Engineering / 4am Outdoors. Today is Bull Bar Day. How exciting. But where's my vehicle, you ask? Ben, the owner of Rybuck, is so excited to get it installed on my vehicle. He's already grabbed the keys and taken it out back to the workshop. So we better get out there quick because I'm sure he's already started. Let's get going. Well, they're not mucking around here. They've already got started. The bull bar is sitting there. We've got Noah here. You've installed a winch already in the front?
I got a 13,000 pound winch in here.
Jeez, okay, that's huge. So that fits in the bull bar?
Yeah, it's also compatible for carbon and...
Oh, the Warn?
Yeah, the Warn, yeah.
That's cool, it gives people options.
Yeah, yep.
So I noticed you got on this design now a spot for the parking sensors.
Yep, that's right.
Yeah, cool, and fog lights as well. So that's pretty awesome. So this is pretty much what people are going to get? Yeah,
basically this. There's a few modifications we've got to do, but nothing major.
Oh, I see. What modifications are they for?
Oh, just a few bolt holes need to be slotted and whatever.
Oh, okay. But that's easy. So pretty much this is what it's going to be.
Yep.
Well, you guys have been busy. I mean, you've already got the front end off this thing.
Yeah, it's ready to go.
Yeah, cool. So we're ready to start putting it on, eh?
Yep.
Cool. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Wow, check that out. Now that that's installed, that looks fantastic. It follows the lines perfectly. Noah, what are you doing down there? You just lining things up, are you?
Just shimming it up a bit, just to get it nice and square.
Yeah, that's it. I guess there's a lot of adjustment there so that you can get it just in the perfect spot. Everything lines up nicely. Excellent. So a couple of features I noticed that you guys have in there. These are high lift jack points. I mentioned before you got your parking sensors, but you got these light bar or LED light brackets, I guess. So you guys have a pack that you put in together.
Yeah. Laser lamps or steady or something like that.
Yeah. So like what, a 7 or a 9 or?
Yeah, whatever you want.
Yeah, cool. Or a light bar.
Yeah.
And then we'll get some mounting options at the top there, which is for CB radios. I'd love to put like a 4G booster or something on there as well, I reckon.
We'll make that work.
Cool. All right, well, let's keep lining things up and getting it all lined up, but that winch fits perfectly, eh?
Perfect, yeah.
Nice. Check this out, they've designed a little wire so that they can get that bolt in, and that way it gives that extra strength back further. Tricky little situation they had to try and sort out, but that works brilliantly. You can really see here why you need a dash plate to cover things underneath. Look at that radiator right there at the bottom, ready to get whacked. Okay guys, wow, you guys were waiting for it, and here it is finally, the Rybuck Engineering Bull Bar. It really suits the lines of the Mahindra Scorpio down to a T. It fits all the accessories that you need, like lights, winch, and it also provides the perfect approach angle so that when you're off-road, you don't need to worry about hitting into the front end. I've seen a couple of people on the Facebook groups talk about how they've run into some kangaroos in Australia. We've really got that issue of wildlife at night time. And it not just affects the front end where it aesthetically looks bad, but some people have had their radiators being punctured, which means that they're stuck in the place and they can't get home, which is not a situation I want to be in. So the guys really did a fantastic job. I love coming here. They're all experts. They know exactly what they're doing. And this thing has really come up looking really, really good. So make sure you jump on their Facebook page and their website. They've got these things shipping out really soon. I've got a full list of all the products in the description below. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about it. I reckon it's turned out really good. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, because I've got a whole bunch of travel videos coming up soon. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.